Dongguan Byway Lighting Technology Company Limited, established in 2013, is a professional manufacturer of aluminum profile, linear light housing, PC diffuser, plastic profiles, plastic injection products, and lighting accessories. Our company is located in Dongguan and covers an area of 15,000 square meters. We have more than 9 years manufacture experience. Follows ISO 9001 quality system. Guarantee delivery in time of bulk production. With our own molding center, welcome OEM and ODM orders. Our experienced engineering team are always available to provide professional solutions to ensure meet the customer requirement and product manufacturability. With more than 20 people sales team can deal customers' inquiry within 24 hours. We have 30 lines plastic extrusion and 4 lines of aluminum extrusions. 10 injection machines can turn material of aluminum, PC, PMMA, ABS, PVC to all kinds of shaped products. Our LED aluminum profile is widely used in modern building, hotel, office, shopping mall, and furniture cabinet lighting, etc. Byway has sold products to all over the world. Main market are Europe like Germany, Italy, Spain, Finland, Poland, and North America, East South Asia, and etc. With rapid delivery, good quality products with reasonable price. We have won the trust and support of customers and every year got 30% growth. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future together.
Welcome to Byway Plastic